Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Oreo fudge at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 16 ounces of powdered sugar, 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 8 ounces of cream cheese. Don't forget about 20 to 25 Oreo cookies, which we'll crush later. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This no-bake recipe is incredibly easy and yields a rich, creamy treat everyone will love. Now let's get to the fun part. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine your chocolate chips and cream cheese. Heat them in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each until completely melted and smooth. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Once that's done, gradually add the powdered sugar, mixing it in thoroughly. You want a consistent, lump-free batter before moving on to the next step. This ensures a perfectly smooth fudge texture. Next, it's time for the star ingredient, the Oreos. Crush about 20 to 25 cookies into small, bite-sized pieces. You can use a food processor or simply place them in a bag and crush them with a rolling pin. Gently fold these crushed cookies into your fudge mixture. Then, press the mixture evenly into an 8 by 8 inch pan lined with parchment paper. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until firm before cutting and serving. Once your fudge is perfectly chilled and firm, it's ready to be cut into delicious 1-inch squares. Use a sharp knife for clean cuts. This fudge is incredibly rich, so a small piece goes a long way. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week or in the refrigerator for longer freshness. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade Oreo fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.